So students, today we will do E part of same question number 17 of CBSE sample paper standard. If a point whose coordinates are x and y is equidistant from the point Q whose coordinates are 9 and 8 and other point S whose coordinates are 17 and 8, then we have to choose the option from these four. So let us see what he is saying in this question. Suppose this is point P and whose coordinates they have given x and y, and this is Q and this is S, and this point is equidistant from Q as well as S. So the distance between these two and the distance between these two are equal. So we will use distance formula. Here first we will calculate PQ. Distance formula we have x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Suppose this is x2 and this is x1. So here according to this formula we will write x2 is x itself and x1 is 9 whole square plus y2 is y itself and y1 is 8 whole square. That is the distance between P and Q. Similarly, we will calculate PS by same formula. So you write here x minus 17 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square. Now according to question, PQ and PS are equal, they have given equal distance. So we will put these values equal. So here PQ's value we have x minus 9 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equal to root of x minus 17 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square. So here square root and square root will be cancelled. After cancellation we have this one again, then this will also be cancelled. So what is left now? We have left x minus 9 whole square. So a minus b whole square's formula will apply here. A minus b whole square's formula we have a square plus b square minus 2ab. So according to this formula, this is a and this is b. A square means x square, b square means 9 square minus 2 into x into 9, and right hand side also same formula. A square means x square, b square means 17 square minus 2 into x into 17. Now x square and x square will be cancelled. Square of 9 is 81 and it will be minus 18x. Here it will be 289. 17 into 17 will be 289 and that will be minus 34x. Now you take x this side and take 81 on other side. So here we will have minus 18x plus 34x is equal to 289 minus 81. So when you calculate 14 minus 8 is equal to 6 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, 16, and greater number plus, so plus sign will come, and here 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 and that is 2. After that when you cancel it will come, this 16 will come here, and when you divide 208 divided by 16, 16 ones are 16, 4, 16 threes are 48. So after cancellation 13 will come. So we have x is equal to 13. We can take 13 to left side also. So x minus 13 is equal to 0. So now see which option should be correct. X minus 13 means this second option will be correct. So this is the correct answer. I think you understood, students. If you understood, you share with your friends also. Thank you, students.